Hi guys, welcome to JavaInterviewQuestions.com. This is Sandeep. Today we'll see how to count number of lines in a file. How to count number of lines in a file. First, I am creating a file. Here I have a sample file. I have created a sample file. Sample file.txt. Here I have created a sample file.txt which contains hello world 1, hello world 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I need to count the total number of lines. For that, I am writing a program called line number demo. New class line number demo, and I am writing a main method. And first, what I am doing is I have to give the file location, right? So I am creating a file object with file location. F drive sample file.txt. If file.exists, so whether if the file exists only, I am counting the total number of lines in a file. So we have a class called file reader. So first I am creating a file reader object. File reader fr equals to new file reader, and here I need to give the file object. So here I am giving you now the file object. So if you see here, it is throwing some exception. It's unhandled exception, which is a checked exception. So I am surrounding it with try catch block. Okay, and file reader equals to fr equals to new file reader. Now we have another class called line number reader. Line number reader lr equals to new line number reader, and it accepts only reader. So that is the reason first we have created file reader, then we are giving this file reader to line number reader fr. And here I am creating one variable line number count equals to 0. Line number count equals to 0. While lr dot, we have a method called readLine. So this readLine will give you true. Lr dot readLine will be true if there is a line in the file. Otherwise, it will return null. So I am writing while lr dot readLine not equals to null. What I am doing? I am incrementing the line number count plus plus. Okay. So while lr dot readLine is throwing some exception, I think it's an IO exception. So I am surrounding it with try catch block. Line number count plus plus. So now what I am doing is I am printing this line number count, total number of lines in a file. So that will give you line number count. So first what I did was, first I have created a file object. To give the file location, I have created a file object. In this file I have created number of lines. So I have to count the total number of lines in this sample file.txt. So this is the first line. So here I am giving the sample file and I need to count the total number of lines in this file. Next, I am checking if the file exists or not. If file exists only, I am counting the total number of lines in the file. So if file is not existing, what we'll get? We'll get an exception like file not found. Okay, so that is the reason. If file exists only, I am creating this file reader object, and this file reader object is given as input to line number reader object, and I have created a local variable int line number count equals to 0. So as soon as one by one line is read, I am incrementing the line number count plus, and then I am printing the total number of lines. So now I am running this program. So if you see the output here, total number of lines in the file is 8. If you see our sample file here, total number of files are 8. Hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my videos.